Hello guys,
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 5 ways to find someone's email address. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Use a people search website. One of the first ways that you can gather information on someone is by using a resource like a people search site. This type of resource can help make it simple to get some background on an individual. To give this a try, you can head over to Nuber and just type in the information that you have about a person, such as their full name, phone number, or their address. From there, you can get the results. Number 2. Try a search engine. Here's another tactic you can use when you are trying to figure out someone's email address. Simply type their name into your favorite search engine, such as Google. This is yet another way to quickly and easily gather more details about a person, so it is worth giving it a try. If you don't get good results with the person's name, you can try typing the name with the words email address to see if that works. Number 3. Search their employer's website. If you know where a person works, you can head to the company's website to see if they have posted any of their employees' email addresses. Alternatively, you might be able to find the individual's profile on company's LinkedIn, where that might have shared their email address. Number 4. Search on social media. Yet another way to find someone's email address is by searching for them on social media platforms like Facebook. And, if you take this step, you might even decide that it is a lot easier to simply message them on social media platform to create a direct line of communication. Or, if you are connected to a mutual friend, you might ask them for the person's email address if you can't find a way to connect directly. Number 5. Search on LinkedIn. Another way to find someone's email address is by extracting the contacts from LinkedIn. If he/she is in your LinkedIn contact list, then it is very easy to know their email address. Follow the steps showing in the tutorial to extract the LinkedIn contacts. Firstly, visit the LinkedIn website and sign in to your account using login credentials. Then, you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. Click on the Me option located at the top menu. Then, a drop-down menu will open. Click on Settings and Privacy option. You are redirected to the settings page. Make sure that you are in the How LinkedIn Uses Your Data section. Select Get a Copy of Your Data by clicking on it. There, you will find 2 options. Select the option showing in the tutorial. And, under that option, select the Connections option. Later, click on Request Archive option. It asks you to enter the password. Enter password and click on Done. Then, it starts processing the request. It takes some time depending on the data. The email will be received when the download is ready. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.